So right now it has Novitec springs, it's lowered, but that's all we've done. We're waiting for a whole body kit to come. This is gonna be a wide body project. We're gonna probably keep it this color, which is really dope color. It's like a light silver blue, and it has tan interior. So it's gonna be a really clean looking wide body project. So stay tuned for this one. Can you guys not shake the car at least? Do it gently. Alright guys, we are standing in front of this 458 Spider project. This is the Prior Design Widebody kit. So this right here is actually the widebody flare. What you see here is a wing. This wing doesn't belong in this car, it's only made for the coupe, which has a different engine bonnet. Since this is a Spider, the engine bonnet is actually shaped differently. We had to customize the spoiler. We technically used the base of theirs, cut it up, did some crazy work, fiberglass work, and now it's getting all sculptured up, and we added a little bit of a more angle to it, and it looks amazing. We also did the same thing with the flares. None of these kits come perfectly smooth. You could get it, just glue it on and paint it, but it's gonna be wavy, it's not gonna fit right, you're not gonna have this one-piece look. We're doing all of this, we're making sure it looks amazing. Right now this is super smooth. This is with the filler stage where we're making it smooth. We also bonded it to the quarter panel. It's never gonna come off. We're not gonna make it look complete one piece, honestly, just make it a little bit smoother. So the guys are in the front right now blocking the hood. Everything is wavy, so it's gotta be flush and nice. We're gonna be repainting this entire vehicle in the same color, to be honest. So this is a nice, beautiful color. We're gonna keep it that way. We have some awesome wheels coming for it, exhaust, a lot more to come for this project, so stay tuned. It's a work in progress, and it's gonna look amazing when we're done. 458 project is done. This is that wide body Prior Design kit. The hood, bumper, fenders, side skirts, rear molded quarter panels, rear bumper, rear wing that we customized. It also has a Capristo Engine Bonnet. As you guys know, this is a Spider. Usually the engine is covered. This customer wanted to show off that Ferrari engine, so we got him that carbon fiber Capristo bonnet as well. As you can see, it's glass. You can see the engine bay, and we left the bottom in very exposed carbon, very dirty as well. Don't mind the dirt, but yeah. Check out this custom ducktail. This does not fit on the Spider. Prior Design does not offer a ducktail for this, so we custom made it. It's also got a FI exhaust system. It's been slammed on Novitec Suspension, and also features RDB 3-piece wheels with a really crazy rose gold polished lip. Customer wanted to do a little different here. He did not want to do a, black wheels, silver wheels. Wanted to go with something special. He has that tan interior. So really dope project. This is the factory color as well. So we pretty much painted 90% of the car. Flawless paint, looks like it came from factory. This is probably one of my favorite Prior Design wide body 458s. We've done a lot of 458s, as you guys know, in the past, but this is really, really, really gorgeous. One of my favorites for sure.
Was the box $8,000?
70.
This is so... Wow! Holy shit.
Yes, sir. It's not a gimmick product, it's real, you know what I'm saying?
As it should, man, of course. Because Vic puts all of his money where his mouth is. Dude, it honestly looks... the packaging is insane.
Yeah.
I want to see these bad boys. Oh my god! Holy shit. Guys, Vic, congratulations, brother. These are incredible. Holy, how proud are you?
Very proud.
1 to 10.
Finally.
1 to 10. 20. This is incredible. What?
They all come with that because they're full leather, so it's sometimes hard to get in.
Of course.
You know?
At least at
Yellow
first.
perforated interior, look at that.
Wow.
Fully inside, everything. Carbon fiber, all leather, Vibram sole on the bottom, everything.
This is amazing. I feel so bad putting my feet on them.
Why?
Because they're so nice. My feet are not used to nice. Wow. Holy shit. No. Vic. These feel amazing. Well worth the wait, right?
Oh man, it took me like a year. It took me like a solid year. And then the whole COVID thing, it was made in Spain, the factory shut down. It's
welcome to the club.
Yeah, everybody's dealing with it at least,
yes.
You know?
Quality's insane all around.
Yeah, we call this guy the asphalt because it's like grayish, but it has red bottoms, yellow laces. I mean, it's
you get all the ingredients.
Stylish,
yeah.
You know?
You know what? This reminds me of when I went to the Pagani factory. They had like a bunch of shoes right there, and I was like, Horatio, you need to make these, and he never did.
Yeah,
you did. You made them. You made them. Holy crap!
But it's about the feel too. You know, it wasn't only about the look too. It just feels amazing on.
And I feel so tall.
Yeah, it gets taller.
I grew like 30 inches right now.
These have a big sole, but it's for comfort. You know, these are the sneaker versions, so this is built for comfort.
Wow.
Like, you know?
So Vic had another one of these, and he's telling me those are slides?
Slides, yep.
Dude!
Luxury slides, not just regular slides.
What? What?
Yeah.
These are I just want you to know I'm never wearing any other pair of slides. Thank you.
I hope so.
Thank you.
All leather, super comfortable. You're gonna notice too, just like the other shoes.
Yeah.
All for comfort too. I don't wear slides often, but this thing makes me want to wear slides. Like it's It's legit. You'll see right now.
I was not a slides guy, but now. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. And with the sock and everything. Yes,
exactly.
sir. Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so cool.
And they have carbon fiber on them.
I know. And
ridiculous.
But the leather and the carbon together just...
So leather, carbon, just like, you know, Ferraris and luxury sports cars.
This reminds me so much of my pocket. I'm telling you, dude.
For the classier guys, these are like the loafers.
You know, this goes with the Mexican uniform really well. Do you know what the Mexican uniform is?
No.
You put the jeans on, you get a Shmi-like shirt, you tuck it in, you have a Gucci belt on, and you're
what's
fucking
really
loafers.
funny is that's kind of like an Armenian uniform too.
I know, we have it. Yeah,
similar.
It's very similar.
Actually, my guy Sarkis should wear that right now. With little RDB tags, carbon fiber underneath the drivers.
What?
I mean, it's made out of carbon, yeah.
So you are
High tops?
a true shoe savant.
Yes.
You're like a beautiful mind.
You know I've been into shoes. I'll get you the high tops too. What size were you?
Get out of here, 11 and a half. Really?
I'm gonna show you what they look like.
Please.
So
Oh! Fuck me. Dude, these are so nice. Congratulations, for real. Well done, because no one's done this right.
I'm telling you, I know.
Well done, Vic.
Spent time, carbon toe cap. I mean,
no, all the little details,
perforated
the difference
tan
in leathers.
interior.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. You really nailed it. Who helped you with this? Vic couldn't do this by himself, guys. Come on. We all know this. Tell us who helped you.
Myself, man. It was all me, baby.
Yeah,
All me.
right. I'm gonna hire your ass now then.
Yeah, yeah.
The only pair that I can compare these two that I have is the Prada. I have Prada sneakers.
Yeah.
And they're badass and they're leather.
Leather, you know.
But they're $1,200.
Yeah. These are
This is a fucking
significantly
deal.
cheaper and stylish. And they got carbon fiber in them.
No, that's what I'm saying. The fact that you went with the car theme.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if you know this, but we did the same with the watches,
Yeah,
right? Car
sick.
theme, carbon fiber
Exactly.
everywhere. That's the
We're
way.
car guys at the end of the day, so why not incorporate that into like accessories and fashion and
Everything.
you know, all that stuff.
Congratulations, man. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
For real.
It's hard
Congratulations.
doing
This
cars
is-
and that.
This is not easy
No,
at
no,
all.
no.
And the YouTube, now that you're a YouTube channel that runs 24/7, live right now, filming, now I know what it feels like to be Vic. Wow. Did my get bigger?
It does that. It has that effect.
I'm sorry that I'm putting them in your box, by the way.
Oh, good.
I apologize.
They have a little ventilation with the RDB.
Good, good. It's gonna need them.
Super sick.
Yeah. Dude, these are dope. Thank you, Vic.